On February 27, 2025, a McKinley County officer in New Mexico pulls over a vehicle after it goes the wrong way on a one-way road and jumps a curb, damaging both passenger side tires. The officer doesn't realize the driver is actually a fellow New Mexico State police officer.
2543, you come to my 20. You roll down the window. Can you roll it down?
What's up? What's up?
You're going the wrong way on 2nd Street, and then you also hit a curb and popped both your tires on this side. How much alcohol have you had tonight?
Nothing.
So why are you slurring?
I'm not slurring.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Hey, just because you said I slurred, there's no reason.
So you're refusing to get out of the vehicle? 25 Metro. 201, refusing to get out of the vehicle, slurring her words. Smell alcohol coming from inside the vehicle as well.
Oh, 2 inches.
201 just rolled up all the windows, refusing to get out. Doors are locked. I need you to step out of the vehicle. I need you to step out of the car. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I've already explained that to you. Step out of the vehicle. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. If you don't step out of the vehicle, we will break your window. We'll remove you from the vehicle. It's your choice. Step out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. So be advised, driver's going to be off-duty NMSP officer. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
The officer displays a contact saved as her sergeant in her phone, indicating she plans to call him. It's uncertain what she expects him to do in this case, but she's clearly preparing to involve him in the situation.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window. I don't care who you're calling. Step out of the car. I will break the window. Step out of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I will break the window. Hold on, wait for the other guys to get here. State Police Hall, she's 47. Step out of the vehicle, we're gonna break the window. This is your last warning. This is your last warning or we will break the window. Break it. I'm watching her hands.
You did it! Sarge! Please!
Get out! Step out!
Sarge!
Step out! Step out!
Sarge! Sarge! Sarge!
Roll over!
Sarge!
Roll over!
Sarge!
I got it here.
Sarge!
Just roll over that way. Sit up. Sit up. Here, just roll this way, okay?
Yeah.
Sit up. Let's go put her in my unit.
Did you have any glass on you in your mouth, anything like that?
Yep.
You did? Okay, we'll get
Yep.
it for you.
In my eyes.
Ready?
In my eyes.
Passenger side. Passenger side.
Here, have a seat.
Negative. I won't get in the car until my sergeant gets there.
And we're not waiting for you, Sergeant. You're under arrest. Get in the car.
Come on. Here, put it in your unit. You can
Put it in your unit, why?
We can pull it through.
Yeah. Yeah, you can transport for me.
Look, have a seat. Have a seat. You know how this works?
Yep. Watch your legs. She's gonna kick you.
Think it's cool, huh? You f***ing think it's cool?
Just sit down.
Dude, she came off of 2nd Street the wrong way, came towards me this way. So I was westbound 66, and I seen her vehicle come out of 2nd Street the wrong way. She came eastbound 66. The light was red. She went around the car. The light turned green. She sped up, hit the sidewalk, the curb, jumped the curb high as hell, popped both her right tires. I lit her up. She pulled in right here. She wouldn't open this window. She's like, go to the passenger side. So I went to the passenger side. She rolled it down about that much. And you could smell the alcohol. Seen it was her. So I called for you. Came to the driver's side window. She started calling Roman from the state police. She starts yelling, screaming, I'm not getting out. I ain't getting out. I ain't getting out. So get out of the car. We're going to break the window. She locked all the doors. And then we broke the window. She wouldn't get out. So we drug her out, put her in cuffs, and you could smell the alcohol in her breath bad. State police knows. Her sergeant's on the phone right there.
Is it Roman?
Yep. I'll call Roman. She showed me the phone like that, and it said Sergeant Roman. Dude, when you were breaking the window, I was watching her hands because she's an officer. I don't know what she's got. So I'm watching her hands. I see the fucking glass hit me in the face, and I'm like,
So are you trying to resist?
listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test. See, do you agree to take our test? Yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs?
Do you agree to take our test? Yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs or no?
I did not.
Okay.
Do you agree to take
Based
our
on
test?
what? Based on what?
Do you agree to take our
Based
test?
on
Yes or
what?
no? I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in a court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement in New Mexico law that you take a breath test. Do you now agree to be tested? Yes or no?
Can you get state police here?
No. Do you now agree to be tested? Yes or no?
Can you get state police here? Yes
No,
or
I cannot. No.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so based on that,
Do you now agree to be tested? Yes or no? I consider your actions a refusal to be tested. You're under arrest for aggravated DWI. She refused to answer me. Taking it as a refusal. Log me 11015. Aggravated DWI. I'm going to go off now that she's in the unit 15 and I read her.
New Mexico State Police Officer Rachel Hall had served for 4 years and 8 months at the time of her arrest. A partially empty vodka bottle was discovered under her seat, and she was charged with aggravated DWI, open container consumption and/or possession, 3 counts of resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer, failure to maintain a lane, and driving on the wrong side. After her arrest, Hall was put on administrative leave, and before the internal probe ended, she resigned. State Police Chief Troy Weisler voiced disappointment, saying Hall's actions broke public trust and didn't reflect departmental values. Her arrest happened during a bigger DWI scandal, where federal investigations claim some New Mexico officers worked with a defense attorney to get DWI charges dismissed in exchange for bribes. That scandal has triggered multiple resignations and arrests. Hall's case appears separate and unrelated, and she remains innocent unless proven guilty in court. Now let me ask, have you ever heard the phrase, the cover-up is worse than the crime? What if officers and attorneys not only cover up but benefit from it? This brings up a veteran criminal defense lawyer in Albuquerque named Rudy Chavez, who's accused of collaborating with police and attorneys to dismiss DWI cases for bribes. Chavez denies wrongdoing, saying the claims are false and unsupported. Although not indicted, his law license has been temporarily suspended by the state Supreme Court, which is serious. I mention this because corruption is widespread. While Hall's case is unrelated, if law enforcers can't act with integrity, the public's trust will collapse. In this video, accountability is tested. One officer managed the awkwardness of arresting a peer professionally, but if a cop drinks and drives, it's reckless and disrespectful. When she rolled up her window, it became serious. She's a cop, but also a drunk driver. Sadly, she was pulled from the vehicle, cuffed, and arrested. Though harsh, she earned it. My final thought, how can the public trust authority when some in power treat their role like a shield to break the very laws they swore to uphold?